Hi Dooneynistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. The last video was titled the final unboxing of the year. So anyway, you guys, we are not going to go there today. So first of all, let me share with you the bag that I am carrying today. I was off today and running some errands and doing a little bit of window shopping. So the bag that I decided to pull out was my Dooney Bourke pebbled leather Olivia satchel in the color bone. You guys, I don't reach for these bags that often, but for some reason I have a love-hate relationship with this style. It initially started off with the stand-up handles, but as you can see now, they fold down very nicely, so that's not an issue anymore. So my issue now is, which I knew before, is that this bag is a little bit too small. But it is a really nice medium, but for me just a little bit too small. But again, today I was out shopping and just running some errands and it worked out perfect. So let me just share with you really quick what I have inside. And you guys, this bag holds tons, but you know I don't carry much, so this is what I have in here right now. And as you can see, I still have plenty of room. So the first thing that I have in here is my Dooney Bourke pebbled leather double zip wallet, and this is also in the color bone. Absolutely love these wallets. And the next thing that I have in here as a catch-all is my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather large cosmetics case, and this is in the color natural, and I think that that is a beautiful accent to the Sierra leather trim. Absolutely beautiful. And then I also have my keys on the key keeper. So anyway, here we go again, the pebbled leather Olivia. So you guys, let's get to the unbagging. So you guys, I am going to say that I am overly surprised at this purchase. I don't know, this is way out of my element, and so I was a little bit nervous, but I kept going back to this bag. So over the past couple years, I have been building my collection with satchels. As you guys know, I always claim to be a satchel girl, but more recently, over the past year or so, I have been absolutely loving shoulder bags like the Kingston Hobo, the domed buckle satchel, those type bags I have been absolutely loving as well. So, and just more recently I have been adding more crossbodies to my collection because I have been doing some little mini cruises, and I'm just finding that they are so much more easy to handle and to carry on those days when I want to go light or when I just want to be hands-free. So you guys, are you ready to be surprised? Let's do it. All right, so here we go, and you probably can see through the paper what it is. So, and the bag that I carried today is kind of a small hint, and no, it was not planned. I was not planning to get this particular bag. So let me just show you. This is the Dooney Bourke Rowan satchel in the color brown tomorrow. So here we go, you guys. I was chatting with one of my SAs at the outlet, and she says that she was also eyeing this bag, and she was eyeing it in a different color. So I mentioned to her that I am really not a fan or a total fan of this type of bag or style or pattern, but she kind of talked me into it, and it was 50% off, plus I got an additional 15% off, so I thought that I could not pass it up. All right, you guys, let's see. Okay, guys, oh my gosh, this is the Rowan satchel in the Greta collection, and as you can see, it is signature. It is full of signatures, which is normally a 100% no-no for me, especially the smaller signatures. I can do the shiny it with the larger letters on it, but as far as these little tiny ones, I am not a huge fan personally. I mean, I love it for somebody else, but not for me. So this, again, like I said, is totally out of my element. So, but when I tried her on, she was so cute. And I have tons of the pebbled leather crossbodies, which I absolutely love those as well. That is actually my favorite crossbody style. So she is a keeper because she is just so stinking cute. So I am going to take off all of the wrapping. So anyway, guys, here she is again, the Dooney Bourke Rowan satchel in the color brown tomorrow. And as you can see, she is the mini me of the Olivia satchel. So here we go. And if you would like a comparison video of the Rowan to the Olivia, and also maybe a what fits in the Rowan, then give this video a thumbs up and I will get that video out to you guys. So anyway, you guys, here she is. She is brown tomorrow, and she has this beautiful Sierra leather trim. So let's just go on the inside really quick. Oh my gosh, she is just so cute. They also have a pebbled leather version in this particular style as well. But the pebbled leather to me was a little bit plain, to be honest. It was very similar to the regular Olivia, but to me, I thought this was just so cute. And you guys, I am starting to really step outside of my box, which I am so excited about. And as Aj says, it's okay to change. It's okay to like something today and not like it tomorrow, or to change up from what you used to do or what you used to purchase or what you used to love. So this is the perfect way to follow her mantra. So I was looking at the pebbled leather version initially just to kind of stay in my element. But what I loved about this particular bag is that the sides here are attached, where the pebbled leather version is just like the zip satchel, where you have to attach it here on the handles. And I didn't like that. So I thought that since this one here was attached on the side, that I would give it a try. And you guys, the handles fold down, which I love. And then look at the inside. It's a nice size to be a smaller crossbody. So very cute, you guys. Wow, very cute. So let me just do a couple of mod shots. I know that the signature brand is not for everybody because it's really not for me, but again, I am stepping outside of my box. So let me just do a couple of mod shots just so you guys can see how it looks on the body. And again, that was another thing that sold me, is that I thought that it was just so cute. So here she is being carried by the handles. As you can see, very cute. And I just have her paired with an oversized sweater and a pair of dark jeans. And for my shoes, I have on a pair of leopard skin type shoes. So very simple and casual today. And here is how she looks being carried on the shoulder. You can see, very cute for a little crossbody. And if you wanted to carry her by the crook of the arm, you could. But to me, a little bit too small for the crook of the arm. And you can also carry her by the strap, and it is adjustable, not bulky or anything. It lays against the body really nicely. So you guys, I think I am loving this little bag. Look at this, very cute. Here is just another quick close-up. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.